Hey everybody, this is a quick video in case you have Beats Solo 2 overhead earphones and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now there's one of two reasons you're going to want to do this. The first one is troubleshooting. If you're having any issues with these headphones not connecting to Bluetooth, or if they are not syncing or pairing with your device, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to re-pair them with your device after this because it will all be cleared out of there. But that's the second reason you might want to do this. If for whatever reason you just want to get a fresh start on these earphones as if they're just coming out of the box, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. The only thing we need to do is, first of all, we need to make sure they're not plugged in. If they're plugged in, this won't work. And so once they're not plugged in, we're just going to come and we're going to press and hold the power button for 10 seconds. And after 10 seconds, you'll see, you can go ahead and let go, and you'll see all these fuel gauge lights. They'll light up all white. They'll blink white, and then blink one light will blink red, all white, one light red, and then it'll do that 3 times. All white, red, all white, red, all white, red, at which point you can go ahead and turn your headphones on and set them up as a new set of earphones.